Hello friend, my name is Ali and you are watching Uppal solution. Friend, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can remove the dark circles or eye bags under your eyes. It's very easy. First of all, I have to drag a picture as I'm taking as a sample for this video. Here is the picture. I'm going to remove the dark circles here in this picture. So the steps is very simple. First of all, you have to take a copy of this image. Okay, Control J, and the next step is we have to get the details, all the details in this video. So I mean in this picture. So first of all, we have to go into filters and others and high pass, and here you have to create a complete detailed image. Change the radius value by dragging the right and wrong this arrow. So you drag the arrow to the right side to more details and left side for the less details, but make sure you have to click here to bring it in the middle and select appropriate value that all the dark circles are appear in the video. So I think 4.5 is a good value, so click OK. All the details now are in this video, in this picture, new layer. So now we have get all the detail in this layer. So and the next step is you have to create copy and click on the new layer icon. Here you have to you have get a new layer, and now you have to click on the Alt button on Windows and bring your mouse between these two layers and click, and now you have to click on topper layer and change the blend mode to soft light or overlay. I'm changing into overlay, and now all the details are in this layer. You have to select this layer and click on the P button or brush tool. You have to take the brush tools, and here you have to click on normal and opacity 100% and flow 5%. Okay, so now you have to paint the areas in where you find the dark circles. Okay, but before you have to click on the Alt button and get a sample area here. Click Alt button and get the sample color of skin. Okay, and now you have to paint the areas where you find the dark circles. Okay, now I think it's fine, all the circles are gone, and the next step is we will have to create another hue layer. Click on the topper layer and from here click on hue and saturation. We will use this layer to match the color combination. Again, create clip and mask. Choose appropriate value according to your picture. I think in my case it's a good one. So the next step is you have to change the opacity of this image. I think it's a good one, so bring it 86% and change the fill also. I think it's looking good. So you can change and play the values according to your image, but I think in my case it's working good. So if I can show you before and after, this one is before and this one is after. That was the tutorial. I hope you understand well how to remove the dark circles under eye. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.